quick overview here of what's on my dining room table. I just shared this story on Instagram and I got so many questions regarding at least two of the items. The first was this deer head bowl. I found this at Home Goods. It was $49.99. And then these two nutcrackers, I found those at Michael's, and I believe they are marked $80 each, but I would go online. Michael's always has some great coupons. But some other things that I have here, this is for 5 different rooms, and I will be sharing more and showing more, but I thought I would just give a quick overview because I also have a lot of dollar store finds here. These are all from the dollar store, so each container. The ribbons here are from the dollar store. These gorgeous ornaments, I was in love with these. They have them in other colorways too, but these were also from the dollar store. But for one of the themes I'm working for the client, we have this oriental rug with some gorgeous colors in it. So I'll be doing navy blues, I will be doing the coppers, I'll be bringing in golds and russets, so that will be for one of the rooms. For the children's TV room, I'm going to be putting together a North Pole theme, so I found little penguins and polar bears, some of the little white birds here. The oriental rug in that room has grays and some purples, so I'm going to try to throw some of these on the tree as well. These ornaments I got at Home Goods as well. They're glass ornaments, and I grabbed them at this point. I'm not sure if I'm going to need them all, but I wanted to have more than less, of course. And then 2 metal deer, which will be either used on a dining room table, I'm not sure where yet. And then a lot of picks that I have that will be going into one of the Christmas trees. And these silver trees, I'm thinking they'll be somewhere in the kitchen. And this star here I found at a consignment shop. It's very heavy. I think I found this one it was $20. I might either prop it up somewhere, it might go up on a cake stand used in the buffet, I'm not sure yet, but it had the look and feel I was looking for. So once again, I will share more of this project, which is 5 rooms for actually a holiday house tour that I am doing for a client. And then at night, she's hosting a Christmas cocktail party for all the neighbors. And so we're going to be putting together a little section that she can use for that.